Namaste everyone, this is your Noble Srinivasan from Natural Yogis. This lockdown challenge is specially to improve your upper back and your complete flexibility and your digestive process, because completely the metabolism is going to be slower because of the complete lifestyle has been halted and it's getting affected. This is the time you have to keep your immunity super strong so that you can defend the crisis running around the global problems. So what's the challenge is all about? Very simple 4 methods of asana that I'm going to give you. If you are practicing these 4 asanas, I bet that within 2 weeks your complete problem of chronic headache or often the tension, stress, and you will feel more flexible. Even the digestive system would have been gone much better. You could feel high energy and no stress kind of lifestyles, because the simple science behind these 4 methods are just fixing your spine alignment and improving your core coordination and boosting your blood circulation with enough oxygen supply by natural detoxification method. So you don't have to do anything, you just perform these 4 methods. Rest the nature will blend with you and the things happens magically. Today let me show you the desktop yoga challenge that can make better use of your lockdown times. So let's see. Before going to the challenges, please kindly subscribe to our channels, and the video related asanas that are mentioned, that related links are mentioned above. You can view the other videos so that it will be useful to follow up the challenges. What is the 4 things? The 4 things are Uttan Padasana and Dandasana and the Kriya breathing and the pranayams. So the Uttan Padasana we are going to do with support and without support. So if your upper back is hunched, or there is a little hump in the spine below your neck, above your shoulder blade always is little stiffer, then you start with the leg supported. Then after the second week you can start with without support, so that there is no too much pressure in your lower back. Then comes the Dandasana. Dandasana is the most focused, sharpest thing that is going to fix everything in your body, from the toes till the head and the shoulders. Then your Kriya breathing. So you are going to detoxify your complete air system in your body, as well as improve the core coordination and the diaphragmatic breathing systems in no time. Then all the 3 process are actually highly heat generation process. So do not get hypertension. To avoid that and to get the body clock into back normal and cooling so that you can sleep much better, you have to do this following breathing sessions. So let's start with the first Uttan Padasana. In Uttan Padasana, you are lying down on the ground and the legs are lifted up. So try to stay in this pose minimum 5 minutes every day. So while lying down, you can just keep the legs normal. Once you feel comfortable after 2-3 minutes, as by 2-3 days of practice, or if you are comfortable from the first day itself, it's good enough. Try to feel the hamstrings are stretched comfortable, that the heel bone is not pressuring on the wall, because if the hamstring is stiff, the legs feel uncomfortable and the backs feel uncomfortable till that time. So give slow comfort and feel it from the abdomen, that the lower back is not lifting up. At the same time, the legs are on the wall. So get the hips as much close to the wall, and to spend 5 minutes you can move your feet up and down and bend the legs and straight the legs The main science behind this is to drain all maximum blood circulation from the legs so that the heart will be much easier to pump the bloods and make the blood purification more better and faster, so that whenever you are breathing in and breathing out, the lungs will be able to refill the oxygen rate to maximum blood cells, so that the nourishment also is able to be carried out to each and every cells without delay. So when each and every cells met their requirement, the brain will have enough nourishment to meet the meditation, as well as the subconscious and conscious memory power increase so strong. So next focus, Dandasana. So in this Dandasana, just normal sitting pose. Just try to stretch the legs straight and keep the back straight, and the hands are lifted up and the palms are together, and feel the pressure from the inner palms. And while doing this posture, try to stretch your heels out, don't stretch your toes out, so that the toes pointing towards the ceiling, and feel the legs are stretched out, that your calf muscle is touching, the heel pressure is hardly feather touch or little off the ground, doesn't matter. If you are doing right, your upper thighs and the lower back gets tight. And don't hunch your spine, always keep the chest up so that your middle back is straight, not bent. So if the middle back is straight, then you're working right. And keep the hands lifted up. Don't use your shoulder to lift. Use the rib cage to lift the hands, so that the arms comes close to the ears. So as shown in the video, you see how the back should not be bent and the back should be erect. So these are the points where we are exactly working, so that the spine locks gets released, because there are no spine problems. It's a muscle getting stiff around the spine because of weaker blood circulation, or the nutrition is not getting supplied, or the no proper rest. They have become stiffer and stiffer in longer times. It can be fixed hardly in few weeks of practice. Just you have to pay more attention. So while every asanas mentioned, focus in deep breathing out and less breathing in, so that you focus and throw out more toxins and promote the blood circulation with enough blood and nourishment from the head to toes. So if you are doing right, there will be strong burning sensation in your thighs close to the groin, your lower backs and the upper middle back behind your shoulder blades and the shoulder muscles. But don't pressure your neck forward or backward. There should not be any neck pressure. So keep the head straight. Only the hands can be separate also. Once the stiffness opens, they come closer. So don't over push. Slowly focus. Keep the eyes closed and try if you want. But spend minimum 5 minutes in this posture. You can take break every 1 minute. Feel that soreness. After 2-3 days, you won't feel sore. You will be more enjoying that hamstring and the spine open ups at the same time. Keep breathing and breathe out. Now the next we are going to the Kriya things. In these Kriya things, the breathing Kriya, you are going to do only two. One is Agnisar Kriya. We are going to do three things. One is Dokan Kriya, one is Kapalpati and Agnisar Kriya. So Dokan Kriya is like this. You will be exhaling through the mouth, and using the abdomen you will be exhaling through the mouth. Kapalpati, you will be breathing out through the nose using the abdomen. Third is Agnisar Kriya, exhaling out, vacuuming, hold the passage and don't breathing in without breathing in out. How long you can hold? Try to move the stomach up and down. Your lower abdomen rolls up and releases down. So in beginners, start doing very slow. Once you feel the abdomen is getting more flexible and feeling strong, and you can feel a communication that it's connect, then you try to loosen and wobble and try to move faster as much as you can after the second week of practice. Then comes the Anulom Vilom practice. So the last one, don't forget, you have to do this. Do anulom vilom, only measurement, keep it 5 minutes or 10 minutes. The important task is keep your speed of the breath completely slow as possible, the volume maximum in and maximum out, and try to maintain the mudra. That this flexibility decides that you have achieved your complete flexibility stronger. The more the hands are strong and straight, means the nerves are more comfortable. If there is difficult in stretching and touching this also, then your body is so stiff. So try to figure out and maintain your mudra strong and do the anulom vilom. You will feel more strong difference in your body within 2 weeks. If you are regular daily and try to do it at same time at continuous practice, I bet you see much difference. Drop your comments below, add likes, and share it if you find good benefits. Let's see after 2 weeks. Thank you.